Alright guys, let's do this unboxing video. Gamma hooked your boy up with a whole bunch of stuff. So we're gonna unbox this one first. See what we got here. Alright, so from what I've learned so far about these, you can see they're supposed to be magnetic trimmers. I don't know of any other magnetic trimmers on the market that are cordless. Comes with, you got a different set of face plates. You got your dock, you got your charger. Seems legit. I don't really use cords, so buy a bunch of these so we can make a power clip for them. I think these are too shiny for me, but this one right here got a clear cover there so hair don't get into it, but you still have that skeleton vibe. That to me will look better. I wish this one we can get all black too. It's just too shiny. Here, your screwdrivers. I don't think this comes with it, but they put some extra blades in here. Oh, hold on. Yeah, so I don't think that this comes with the normal, or maybe it does, but I'm definitely switching to this blade. Definitely. This is more that thin Andy's T outliner than this thick one. So definitely switching to this blade if I'm gonna try this out. Austin, if you threw this in here, if it doesn't come with it, I really appreciate it, because this is the blade I like. Boom. Now let's look at the back of the box. 10,000 strokes per minute, which is pretty crazy. Got the DLC black blade. All blades fully adjustable. Wait, maybe it does come with it? Look, includes standard fixed blade, deep tooth ceramic cutter, shallow tooth cutter, and special wide blade set. It comes with these blades. That's crazy. Additional housing options. It gets 2 hours of runtime. That's legit, bro. It says removable drop top. So out the box, it's not quite zero gap. I don't think they'll really hit, but we'll see. Let's see. Let me see. Yeah, they're not hitting right now out the box. Honestly, I don't like ceramic blades, so I'm definitely gonna swap over to these. Hopefully I'm not wrong. You guys read the box. I think these blades come with the trimmer. Oh, and it came with these lids. If you don't like the clear top, you could drop the top and put the silver ones. This is nice to see that the threads are metal, not plastic. And I believe it's pretty simple to zero gap these. You just loosen this and push the blade up. We're gonna use this blade. This is the blade I like. I think I like. We won't know until we try them. So I'm gonna loosen these two screws and I'm gonna push the blade up. You can see that is way too gap. I don't like mine flush. I like a little bit of room in between the steel blade and the moving blade. I'm gonna hold this blade down and tighten it. Usually when I tighten it, the blade shifts during the tightening, but this one was fairly simple. This one didn't move as much when I tightened it, so that's good. You gotta make sure you don't have one corner higher than the other. Look at that. Look at that. All right, while I'm doing this, I might as well change this faceplate. Let's do that. This I don't know how to do. Let me see if there's an instructions manual that teaches it. One of the most boring things to do is create a user manual, but I gotta give it to you, Austin. This is a pretty good manual. I feel like only people who create products can appreciate a good user manual.
One eternity later.
All right, except you haven't taught me how to remove this yet. We're gonna have to figure this out the old school way. The manual's dope. You didn't talk about how to exchange these face plates without breaking it. Because with my luck, it'll break in the process. The screws are very small. Don't drop them like I just did. So I'm just gonna loosen the 4 screws in the back and see if that works. And I am using the Gamma screwdriver that comes with it. All right. So there's the internals. You can see it's like a double magnetic, like a pivot motor. There's the guts. There's the PCB board. There's the battery right there, 1500 milliamps. So yeah, you can see the magnetic pivot motor vibes there. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I see. We've taken off 4 screws. Now you got 4 screws here to take off. And then you can replace that plate. Pretty easy, pretty simple. It's not like you're gonna be changing the face plate after every client. You know what I'm saying? So, like, I'm simple. Once I've changed it once, I'll pretty much stick to that for a while. All right, I got 1 screw left. There it is. Plate is off. We need to show a before and after. Let's put the new plate on. Boom, squeezer's right on. We're gonna screw this back on. Alright guys, I just got done cutting, but I didn't get to use these yet, but you can see they look better, I think, with the black, the clear right there. I switched to this blade that's more like an Andy's T outliner. So We're gonna see, bro. We gonna see how these things hit. I'll let you guys know soon. What you doing, kid?
Putting stickers.
Putting in work?
Yeah.
Good
On
job.
my last row.
Who gave you this job?
Dre.
Dre, he put you to this task? All right, man, get it done. Love you, good job.
Thank
And then you got Valentina down there. What are you doing?
Pretty sure Dre asked for her help and she told him she wanted to just play with her new toys.
That's what she said?
Daddy,
Wow, Valentina, really?
Daddy, I need to play with my new toys.
You need to play with your toys? What'd you say, Mom?
She's not a team player.
Let's look at what toys she's playing with. No, your family's working so hard to get things done around here. And what are you busy playing with?
My toys.
What are these?
Little tiny toys.
Little tiny toys. Moon pie. Hormel chili.
Who brought breakfast desserts?
Alright, Valentina, well, while your family's working hard, you just enjoy your toys. Headlines team is out there. We about to hoop. It's going down. Elijah, you about to shoot around, Papi?
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta get some shots up.
Wait, headlines is there?
Yeah, who you think we hooping with?
I thought we were hooping by ourselves.
No, I'm playing basketball and you gonna shoot around.
Okay.
Hey, I'm gonna edit that one out.
They call foul, respect it, bro. Don't even argue. That wasn't a foul. You smacked his feet. I know. Life on the line.
I just caught the first highlight of Nate's career.
Oh, Dre, don't get that. Oh, he's 12 years old. Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
What's up, Matt? Five. Oh, shit, go. Stop. You got left. Good shot. You got one drink?
Of course.
Oh, shit. That's put online.
Ah!
You know what? I ain't gonna say nothing.
Fucking toe. We in this thing. Oh, we in the court. Oh, he faked him.
Yeah! Two. What's back?
Okay. Okay.
Time to get serious.
Finally!
0.8. 0.8. Let's go. All good.
Oops. Oh, cookies.
Oh, that's out.
Hey.
I'm old, but I still play D. Like, come on, man.
He jacked the layup.
If you move the ball around, it's gonna leave somebody open.
We need what? Air balls or two.
There was two people. I mean, he was wide open. He could just dribble. Somebody would have step up, kick out. That's why ball rotation is an amazing thing.
Ooh. Elijah, who you going for?
Oh my God.
You better not say your dad. I'm just playing.
He's not passing the ball.
Grab it. Man, be a man, Matt.
I got this.
Go. Fight like a man. Let's go.
He's a big man, Matt.
Are you gonna get the game point or what, bro?
I can't.
I'm off this game.
Hey, and he got a knee brace on, locking him down.
I'm
I'm
off
playing
this game.
denial right now.
He's fresh.
I'm playing denial.
This game number 6.
So
I think I'm
game
averaging.
number 6, he's 40, so his average is
I'm
up.
averaging 10 points a game.
Definitely not.
11. We're going up to 11.
Yo, he had 0-1 game, just to let you know. That's what she said. Oh, got him. Oh, he ain't passing. Oh, go ahead. Oh, nice. Oh, game time.
Oh my God.
Too bad it wasn't recording till now.
Come here. That's how most games look. I promise you. Ask Nate.
That's his first point this whole game. I feel bad. Hey, how'd it feel to lock him down?
That's not my first game. That's not my first point. Y'all saw the threes. You see how only my shot was out of focus. He only missed my highlights, but he caught all my low lights. Trust me, guys. It's not what it looked like. Dre, I need a cosign, bro. Let him know.
Hey, bro, we won when it counts.
What was our record? Let me know if we need to record next weekend, so I can show y'all how we get buckets out here. YouTube, what's up, guys? Yo, I've been sick, man. Got dehydrated. I'm out of shape. We're gonna definitely, it's a headlines thing now. Like every weekend we get together as a shop, we hoop. And it's mostly so that we can stay active, not participate in the evolution of a barber, which is gaining weight little by little over the course of just a few years because of the lifestyle that busy barbers live, right? I wasn't going to do this vlog. I wasn't going to try to finish it out. I was going to just rest the rest of the day so I feel better, and then tomorrow morning I was going to record a voiceover for the tutorial and drop that tomorrow. But I told you guys on my last video in the reaction that I would drop the vlog showing us hooping, and so it ain't the best footage. My boy Nate, he tried his best, but you got to see some of the action. You got to see my boy Matt shooting. He can shoot. My boy Dre putting in work, and you got to see some moments I didn't want y'all to see from me. I had some jumpers too, didn't get really recorded. But with that being said, man, I want to share with you guys just a nugget real quick. Every book that I read, especially in my early 20s, 21, 20 years old, it talked about paying yourself first. And I think one of the things that barbers lack is financial literacy. And one of the things that people believe is that barbers don't have benefits, but they do. They got a lot of benefits. Maybe not your conventional benefits, but there's a lot of benefits. You are in control of your schedule, the flexibility. But when it comes to your conventional stuff, you have to be more involved, and you have to participate in your own life savings and retirement fund and insurance and things of that nature. So I wanted to share with you guys this one app. It's called M1 Finance. M1 Finance. Okay, and with this app, you can see I have a pie, and that pie has 30% Tesla, and I change it all the time. I started out with like 15% Tesla, bunch of Amazon, Apple, Facebook, Square, Redfin, just companies that I really like. I don't like Spirit too much, but I see them winning regardless, because here's what I know about Spirit. I hate their service, but subconsciously, I always buy their service. Netflix, Shopify, Snowflake, which is a new one, and then Walmart. And I'll add stuff, I'll take stuff away, I'll change the percentages all the time. But the way that I've set it up is that every week, money is taken out of my bank account, and that money is instantly distributed into that pie. And the cool thing about this is you can buy fractional shares. So Tesla's, $400, but you can put $100 a week and it'll be distributed because you can buy fractional shares with M1 Finance. Every week I am depositing, and it's not so much, it's out of sight, out of mind. It's paying yourself first. You're taking advantage of stupid stuff, not stupid stuff, but like dollar cost averaging, and it's really just a behavior, and it's a long-term gain. And so like you put what you can afford to put in there in the beginning, even if it's $10 a week, $20 a week, right? It's the idea that you're building a behavior, a pattern, a routine, and you're in it for the long term. I don't put it into like a retirement fund or like a Roth IRA or anything like that, because I like to control it. I like it to be liquid. I don't plan on retiring at 60. I plan on retiring much earlier than that. And not retiring like that, but I'm never really gonna retire. Entrepreneurs don't really retire. I just like to have control of my assets. And so it's a really dope app. It is called M1 Finance, and I'll put a link in the description below where you can get $20. I'll get $20, of course, so you're helping me out. You'll get $20 if you use the link, and start this now. It takes minutes to set up, and you'll put yourself in a position where you're investing, Aside from that, I would definitely look into real estate and things of that nature, but I just wanted to share that cool app with you guys in this vlog. But with that being said, guys, that's it for the vlog. Your boy is gonna finish up getting some of this work done so that we can upload a video tomorrow, and I'm just gonna try to get some rest tomorrow, to be real with you. I feel like crap. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video.